I hear a lot of people tell me that they can't do a thing. They want to be this, but they can't. They don't have the qualifications. I could never be a singer. I could never be a storyteller. I'm not good on the mic. I can't. Well, I'm going to beg to differ with you for the next 3.5 minutes. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks for being a part of the Little Dog and Pony Show I put on every week. So here's the thing. If you don't want to do a thing, right? You don't want to sing, then don't. But for you to tell me you can't, that means that you just are not going to put yourself out there and try. You're not going to find the coach necessary to do it. You want to learn how to sing or play the piano. You want to be a saxophone player. You want to be a mountain climber. When I hear someone say, I can't do it, but they've never tried to do it, then I beg to differ, right? Usually, I've got a lot of people that want to take a class from me. They look into the workshop and they say, I'm just not good on the mic. That's something I can't do because I'm this, because I'm that. And a lot of the times, what I really want to just take them aside and say, this is what you want to be, right? Okay, so be gentle with yourself. Okay, you can't be angry at yourself because you're not qualified yet. I heard an actor once say, you can't be angry at a bud because it's not a flower yet, right? So what have you done? Where are you working? What are you putting yourself out there to try? Are you finding the coach necessary to be really good at math? I can't do marketing. Well, you're not trying to do marketing. You're not finding someone to teach you to do marketing. You don't want to do marketing. I got you. But just because you don't want to doesn't mean you can't. You can do a thing. You just don't want to do a thing. So tell me, that's what I really want to know. Is it that you can't or that you don't want to? Oh, I really, really want to. I really want to be good at sales, but I just can't do it. Okay, well, be gentle with yourself. You can't do it yet. You haven't done it enough times. You haven't failed enough times. It's just that you're not ready yet. You can do anything you want. How hard do you want to work at it? A lot of the young people, the younger generation, even my kids, they've taken on things that if they're not perfect at it right away, then they can't do it. I'm not really going to be great at it. I'm not great at it. I'm not going to be able to do it. That's not being gentle with yourself. That's not saying that you can. You're not going to try. Okay. I don't want to try to be a better piano player. I know that if I practice every day and I put in the 10,000 hours, I could be a better piano player, but I've decided not to be. I won't say I can't play piano. I can. I'm just not putting the hours in. I'm not being gentle enough with myself and not angry at myself because I'm not a good piano player. If I want to, I'm going to be a bad piano player and practice every day until I'm less of a bad piano player, until I'm a good piano player. That's how this works. But so many people stop at, I can't. And then I say to them, but don't you want to? I really do want to, but I'm just not wired for that. No, you're not wired to do the work, maybe. Maybe you don't like that you're going to have to put the work in to be good at it. That's fair. That's honest. But for you to look at me and say you can't do a thing, I can't be creative, I can't be a singer, I can't be a storyteller, I can't be a marketer, I can't own my own business. You can, you just won't. You're getting in your way. How hard do you work at it? How badly do you want this, and what are you willing to do? And if it's just you saying I can't because I suck at things, then remember what I said at the beginning. Be gentle with yourself, okay? You're just a bud. Don't yell at yourself because you're not a flower yet, and it's going to take a little fertilizer or a lot of fertilizer to be able to get you where you need to be. But you can, I promise. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I will see you next week.